You've upgraded to Windows 8. Now what? Windows 8 is new, and yes, likely very different from what you're used to. We're all familiar with the traditional Start menu in older versions of Windows, and you may have heard that it's missing from this version. That's true, but this could be a good thing. In Windows 8, you'll still use the traditional desktop, shortcuts, and taskbar, but you won't find the Start menu here. Instead, it now takes up the entire screen. In fact, it's called the Start screen. Menu items are now called tiles, and along with those you've used before, include new mini programs called apps, which run full screen and are similar to those found on smartphones and tablets. The reason for this rather radical design departure is that while you may be working on Windows 8 on a desktop or laptop computer, you might just as likely be using Windows on some type of tablet or touch-compatible device. The Start screen makes it much easier to use on touch screens, while the mouse and keyboard are still the main way to get around on a traditional computer. To make your life easier, Windows starts up faster, works with most of the devices you already have, and is simple to connect to new ones. To help you manage files, Windows Explorer has been renamed File Explorer and now comes with its own ribbon, which makes it easier to find common commands. Staying connected is faster than ever, with not one but two updated versions of the popular Internet Explorer browser, accessible from the desktop or right on the Start screen. And with the Microsoft account and SkyDrive, you can now sync your files and information between multiple devices, such as a desktop, phone, or mobile device. With all the changes, you might at first be intimidated, but give Windows 8 a chance. The clips in this series not only introduce new tools and features, but demonstrate how to take advantage of Windows 8 to be more productive using a mouse, keyboard, or gestures on a touchscreen. With what you'll learn and a little practice, before you know it, you'll be up and running and back to work with Windows 8.